As I sit back and relax, thoughts of the past and present flow freely without disturbance. A warmth like no other settles softly within my heart. This feeling is new to me. I savour such an experience. The warmth of happiness, no negative thoughts or feelings, just a sense of contentment. A sudden realization of what life is, a feeling of completion. The dolphin within me will swim a few strokes within the ocean that is life. The key to the soul is through the heart. As I swim in search of my mate, my heart waits upon this moment, the moment of connection. Two hearts combined as one. The song is sung, the song of love. You'll know, an individual partnership, an individual song. Passion leads you on, you swim together as one, in harmony with the ocean current. When you're together, it feels as if you're an ocean. It's totally empty, no obstacles, just two singing their song. Two hearts, the core of love. Lips touch, bodies connect, this is specific playtime. The ocean sunset drives the heart, words have no meaning if not felt. Be true to yourself and others, the heart never lies. And when the brain tries to overrule, you lose touch with the flow of life. And the waves will crash and pull you down, but swimming with the flow of life will take you to an everlasting sense, a sense of yourself. And if two hearts speak true, true love will spring. Swim the strokes and the ocean of dreams. They will carry you to your soulmate who awaits your arrival. And if the sharks of the ocean choose to destroy true compassion, little do they know, love conquers all.